Now this show is all about bringing it in under $1,000 when you're renovating a room like this, and flooring can make a big difference on how close you get to that budget. And Alan's over at the Home Center right now checking out a few of the prices.
When you're looking for inexpensive flooring for a family room or living room, two types come to my mind immediately. The first, of course, is carpeting, and if you really shop around, you can get some pretty good deals. Here's a nice neutral tone, nice little short pile. It's a little less than $10 a square yard, but remember there's 9 square feet in a square yard, so that means the cost of this basically is a little over $1 a square foot. Not bad, but remember, installation of carpet really is not a do-it-yourself friendly type of project, so you're going to need to add in the cost of labor for that. When you do, you get a price that's comparable to the second type that I think of, and of course that's plastic laminate, and they look great, particularly in a family room or living room. Beautiful colors available. Cost, again, shop around about $2 a square foot. So, not bad on the price, but you do have some extra charges on laminates. You do have to add for your transition strips. These are kind of expensive, about $15 each. And of course, don't forget, you're going to need some quarter-round molding.
This material does make a good looking floor, doesn't it?
It sure does, Danny. The other advantage is that the flooring is a really easy do-it-yourself product. The panels just lock together. There's no glue or staples involved. But if you never installed the floating floor before, be sure to leave yourself a little bit of extra time because it may take longer.
It's very easy, but it does take a little while that first time.